So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use or how to interface a real-time clock with that of Arduino Uno. So how we can do that? First of all, we have to open our SimulIDE and here we can search for our real-time clock. So drag it down and search for your component. So you can see that we have DS1307 real-time clock. We can drag it out to the main circuit window. And after this is done, we need to go for our Arduino Uno and here it is. So you can search it as well. So now these are our two components. Now we can click on zoom to fit and we got a proper view. Now there are just two pins of this real-time clock, STA and SCL. So we need to connect STA with A4 and SCL with A5. This is just our circuit diagram. And now we will go for our Arduino coding. So we can open our Arduino IDE. And here we already have open one sketch, that is file and new sketch. You can create one new. So here we can write hash include Arduino.h. So this is one of our major library. We are not going into the complexities of these libraries. You are just supposed to call these libraries and use certain functions that lies within these libraries. Then we will go and we will write hash include urtclib.h, lib.h. Now these two are our libraries. One is related with Arduino and one is real-time clock. Now we will create an object of that particular real-time clock class. Okay, we will write urtclib. Now you can see that this is our major library or class. Okay, and we can write anything like RTC_00. So now what is this? 0x68. Now what is this? This is the object of that particular library. This is the object of that particular library. Why we have created this? Because we want to call certain functions that lie within this class. And this is parameter bracket and we have passed one argument, or we can say it is the address for our parameter for our library. Okay, now we will go to our void setup. We will write void setup. So void setup, as you know, this setup just execute, or this loop just execute for one time. Okay, this is a function, not loop but a function. So here we will call our serial.begin 9600. So this is our baud rate for serial communication. Baud rate for our serial communication. Then we will create a delay of 3000. And why we have created this serial object? Because we want to see our data on our serial monitor or serial terminal of Arduino. We have generated or initialized this serial communication protocol here. Okay, now after this has been done, we will go and we will initialize one more function, which is the urtclib_wire. So we will write urtclib, okay, not underscore, urtclib_wire dot begin. Now this is a second function which we have initialized dot begin. So this is used to initialize our clock communication protocol. Okay, now we will go and we will call one more function, that is RTC_00, which is our object And now with the help of this dot operator, we will call certain function that is set. And now what is this set function? It is interesting because we want to set our time and date here. So we will write 0, 56, 12, 4, 12, 1, 24. Now what is this? Or we can write like 12, 124, or we can write 27, 12, 24, because today's date is 27. What is this? Actually, if you want to represent 12:56 and 12 second, okay, and it is AM, okay, like 12 AM, okay, and this 12 is representing seconds. So this represents hour, this represents minute, this represents second, and this is the day number of the day, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So it is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So it represents Wednesday. 27 is the day, 12 is the month, and 2024 is the year. So clock will start from this thing. Okay. Now we will go and we will write while loop. While loop. Okay, now we will go and we will write RTC underscore 00 dot refresh. RTC underscore 00 dot refresh. Okay. Now serial dot print, we will write serial dot print current date and time. Current date and time. So now what is this? RTC underscore 00 dot refresh, it will refresh our RTC module, and then serial dot print current date and time, it will just show this serial dot print function will just show current date and time words on the top of the serial monitor because they are in the quotations. Then semicolon, then we will write serial dot print RTC underscore 00 dot year. RTC underscore 00 dot year. Now this dot year function, like this. So actually what this will do, RTC underscore 00 dot year, it will just give us the year. Okay. And after this year will be printed on the serial monitor because it is written serial dot print. And then again we will write serial dot print. After year we will put one bracket, one slash. So we will write it like this and like this. And then we will write again this, copy it out and paste it out. But this time we will write here month, okay? And again this slash. So it will give us month. So first year, then month, and then hour. Day. Day, RTC dot day. So this will give us day. Then we will go and we will write RTC dot hour. It will give us hours. Then we will go for minutes. Then we will write here minute, minute. And in the last we will go for our what's called as the seconds. Dot second. Now this is all our function. And then in the last we will write delay of 1000. So it will give us a 1 second delay because 1000 represents 1000 milliseconds. So now we run it out. They say before while. So yes, we have to place here the semicolon. So it is the syntax mistake. Now it shows done compiling, so we will go and we will copy this hex file link here. Okay, just be okay. It is a little bit difficult because our hand used to slip. So okay, where it is? Wait, let me see again. So this is .hex file. So we can go and we can copy it out. Copy. We will go to SimulIDE, right click on it, Mega 328, go to properties, click here, paste it out and press enter, and then firmware successfully loaded. And now we can run it out. Okay, now it is running. Now we will go for our serial terminal. And here it is. Okay, so here it is, and we can click on zoom to fit. Oh, sorry. So TX must be with the RX and RX must be with the TX, and it is the serial communication thing. Now run it out and open it. Now we will see, yes, now you can see we got our date and time, what they said, 0012, current date and time. Yes, you can see the 12:56:11 and then 0012, what they say, current date and time. Okay, they said 0012. Okay, but what we have written here, like 0012. Yes, it is 27/12/24. Okay, and we have written RTC.refresh. So I think that we can comment it out. Okay, let me comment it out. So now we will run it out. Okay, again go to Mega 328 and properties and this and like this. Okay, now we will run it out. Okay, so we are not going to change this thing. Okay, now as we can see that our current date is not working properly, so we will go and we will day, month and year, and we will just delete this out. We will just write current time because it is giving us proper time and not the date. Okay, so it is done compiling. Again we will go and here we will go to at Mega 328, we will go to properties, again this and this, and now we'll run it out. Clear input. So now you can see that it is giving us 12:56/2 current time and 12:56:6 and this. Okay, so in this way we can get our proper time. So we can even write like these dot things, okay, colon, like here, serial.print and this and this and this, and then we will write serial.println, serial.println, like this, nothing. Okay, and here we will write colon, this is with colon and this is with colon, and we will run it out. Okay, so this is and this. Now see, now you can see it. Okay, again it is saying, no, wait. Okay, go to Atmega 328, go to properties and click on it. Firmware loaded, running. Open our, now you can see that it is running properly. That is 12:56:45 and all this. So in this way we can simulate our DSR DS1307 real-time clock with that of Arduino Uno. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.